Ever feel distracted by personal apps when you're supposed to be working? What if you could silence the noise and focus with just one tap? In this video, I'll show you how to set up work mode on your smartphone. Whether you have a Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, Itel, Infinix, Motorola, or even an iPhone. If you don't have a Galaxy S22 Ultra like me, don't scroll away. Stay till the end because I'll show you how to set it up on your device too. Starts with Samsung users. Here is how you enable work mode using modes and routine on One UF5 or 6. So you go to settings here. So you tap the settings and you tap modes and routines. This is modes and routines. You tap add more, and you select work, or if it's already there you can just select work, or you can create a custom mode. Then you choose when work mode should activate. You set it up, right? You choose when work mode should activate, either manually or automatically, based on time, location, or Wi-Fi connection. So here you say focus on your work by allowing session notification. So you click start. So you set work mode to turn on automatically. See, you can turn this mode on manually anytime. It will also turn on automatically if any of the conditions you select below are met. So let's set the conditions. First, you put you put the address. You put the address where you want to, like when you are arriving at a certain place, automatically it will detect, oh, this is where I work. So that's where you set the address. I set my address to, let's say, Clark, New Jersey. So you will say when you are like within 0.1 mile radius, that's when I arrive, right? Or you can add a Wi-Fi network to help your phone detect this place more accurately. If you log into the company's Wi-Fi, you can turn on Wi-Fi, so when you arrive it will detect the Wi-Fi, then you will know that you arrive at work. So when you set these conditions, you set done, right? Or if you prefer to set a time period, you tell it, oh, so and so time, from so and so time go into work mode or whatever. Okay, all right. After that, you set next, right? And then you can customize the settings. Like you can choose to block notification, disable distracting app. So you can, if you set do not disturb mutes all calls, notification, and other alerts, except for those you choose to allow. So maybe if you touch that, right, then you can allow, you can set here like calls and messages. If you leave it default, it will be none allowed, but you can, to customize this. You can allow calls from maybe contacts only, or maybe if you have favorite contacts only that you want to allow their calls to come in only. Or you can select repeat caller. The same goes with messages. You can you can set it to allow messages from so and so. So you set that here. So when you're done, you go back here and you can say done. All right. So here is the bonus tip. If you're familiar with Bixby routines, you can use Bixby routines to automate actions like enabling Wi-Fi only for work apps, something like that. So if you don't have a Samsung, no problem. Other Android devices have similar features. So if you have like a Google Pixel or a phone that has Android 12 and upwards, you have to go to settings and you type digital well-being and parental control, and you tap focus mode. Then you add distracting apps to block. When you tap on focus mode, you select like certain apps to block, and you set a schedule or manually toggle it on or off. If you have phones like It's similar. Other phones, why Xiaomi, yeah, the same way like you do with Google Pixel. Okay, so here is the tip. If your phone doesn't have work mode, use do not disturb and app timers to limit distractions. Yeah, if you don't have work mode, you can equally use do not disturb. Okay, now for my iPhone users, Apple's focus mode is your best option. Here is how you set it up. You go to settings, you tap focus, you tap the plus icon to create a new mode, and you select work mode and choose allow people and apps. And you can customize notifications like block social media, enable only work related calls, and you can set a schedule or enable work mode manually from control center. And here is the bonus tip. Enable focus filters to adjust app behavior during work mode. So that's it. And that's how you set up work mode on any smartphone. Whether you're using Samsung's mode and routine, like Pixel's focus mode, or iPhone's focus, you can now have the power to eliminate distractions and maximize productivity. Okay, question for you. What's your biggest distraction during work? Comment below. Like if this was helpful, share with someone who needs better focus, and subscribe for more smartphone tips.